Hey everyone, and welcome to my BitPay app review. Check the description for links. BitPay is a big name in crypto payments, offering a secure and efficient platform. It lets you send, receive, and spend Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and more. You can even convert crypto to cash. One of the coolest features? Paying for goods and services directly with crypto at a growing number of merchants. BitPay also handles peer-to-peer payments, making it easy to send crypto globally. The app itself is user-friendly, with simple navigation for tracking transactions and managing payments. Want to spend your crypto in the real world? The BitPay prepaid Visa card lets you load crypto and use it anywhere Visa is accepted. Security is key, and BitPay delivers with two-factor authentication and encryption. Whether you're an individual or a business, BitPay simplifies crypto payments. It's perfect for using crypto practically, not just for investment. So, is BitPay a good choice? Absolutely! Its ease of use, diverse crypto support, and features like the Visa card make it excellent for integrating crypto into your everyday life.